Okay. Who will eat
Go ahead.
the jalapeno challenge?
Are you rolling? You're wasting film.
Take a bite!
It's not that hot.
No, that's definitely hot.
Is it that hot? That's not that bad.
The
You've eaten hotter than
juices.
that. Hmm?
Oh, the juices.
Are you gonna eat the rest?
Not bad. I need to coat it in something. I need your cheese.
No!
Your cheese. Cheese.
Why eat my cheese?
So they call you Scotty, but your name is what? Mo. Who? Mo?
Hilarious.
Spit it out.
I'm gonna pause it.
We're gonna puke.
Okay.
I'll even take one if I have to.
Oh, fingers in the way.
They're pretty good. What'd you do?
You spit it out. You spit it out.
I didn't mean to spit all of it.
You like spicy?
Ah.
Oh,
Whoa,
you're
that's
gonna
hot.
try it though, huh?
Finish it.
There's nothing left to finish.
Hold on, he's gonna try it.
Okay, where do I put this?